Dear children, good morning to all. Today I am going to teach second standard English, term 3. Food we eat. Why do we need food? Because food gives us energy to work and play. Foods like rice and wheat that give us energy are called energy giving food. Okay, what are the energy giving food? Yes, rice and wheat. Okay, from where do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. Keep it your mind. We get food from plants and animals. Plants and animals are the two main sources of our food. There are different food items that gives different taste. They are sweet, crisp. Crisp means moru morupu. Bitter. Bitter means kasapu. Sour. Pulipu. Spicy. காரத்தன்மை. Salty. உப்புத்தன்மை. Crunchy and juicy. Okay, let us see the sweet food items like sugar cane, honey and palm candy. Palm candy means panankarkandu. These are some example of sweet items. Then crisp, chips, then rusk, dosa. These are example of crisp food items. Next, bitter. Bitter means kasapu, bitter gourd, neem and fenugreek. Fenugreek means vendayam. They are giving bitter taste to us. Next, sour. Lemon, gooseberry, then tamarind. Gooseberry means nellikai. Then tamarind. These are give us sour taste to us. Then spicy. Spicy means காரத்தன்மை. Chilli, ginger, pepper. These are some example of spicy food items. Next, salty. Then salty biscuit, popcorn, salt. These are salty taste. Then crunchy. Carrot, pear, apple. These are crunchy food items. Then juicy. Mango, watermelon, orange. These are juicy food items. Okay, let us see the small story. The spider and the turtle. From this story, Spiky and Turtle are friends. Who are friends? Yes, Spiky and Turtle are friends. See here, one evening, Spiky the spider was ready to eat. A turtle came to his door. Spiky, come in, turtle. You are just on time for dinner. Okay, what is the name of the spider? Yes, Spiky is the name of the spider. Who invited a turtle for a dinner? Yes, Spiky invited a turtle for a dinner. At the time, the turtle went to sit near the bowl of yams. Spiky, you cannot sit down. You cannot sit down. To eat with dirty hands? No, no, no. Please go wash them. Please go wash them. Turtle, oh, you are right. Spiky, I will be back. What did Spiky tell to the turtle? Yes, Spiky told to wash his hands. Next, the turtle slowly crawled off. Crawled off means ஊர்ந்து செல்லுதல். To wash his hands. At the time, Spiky gulped the food quickly. Gulped means விழுங்குதல். Gulped the food quickly. Turtle came back and found empty plates. Okay, what did the turtle find on the table? Yes, the turtle found empty plates on the table. Empty plates means காலியான தட்டுக்கள். Turtle asked to Spiky, Spiky, you ate all the food? Spiky said the answer, I had to eat it before it got cold. Before it got cold. But there is plenty left. Plenty means siridalavu. There is plenty left. Next, the turtle reached for the glass of juice. Spiky, wait. Spiky, wait. Your hands are still dirty. Look at your hands. Your hands are still dirty. Turtle said, yes, yes, yes. They are dirty again. As I crawled across the dirty floor, I will be right back. So the turtle went back to the pond to wash his hands. Where did the turtle go to wash his hands? Yes, the turtle went back to the pond to wash his hands. The turtle used slippers to keep his hands and feet clean. Now, turtle got back to the find all the plates empty. Now all the plates are empty. Spiky, I could not wait. I could not wait. The food was getting very cold. Poor turtle was still hungry. Who was still hungry? Yes, the poor turtle was still hungry because the spiky was cheating the turtle. Now the turtle planned. Next day, the turtle invited Spiky, come for dinner. Spiky said, oh, that will be nice. Spiky said, oh, that will be nice. He reached the pond. Turtle, I am here, Spiky. I am here. Come down. Your dinner is almost ready. So Spiky jumped into the water, but he could not reach the bottom. He just floated on the top. Yes, who jumped into the water? Spiky jumped into the water. Now the Spiky got one idea. He filled the pockets of his coat with heavy stones and jumped into the pond. He went deep down to Turtle's house. Okay, now you say, what did Spiky fill with his pocket? Yes, heavy stones. Now the Spiky reached for a bowl of food. Turtle, wait. You cannot have your dinner with your coat on. Please take off your coat. Please take off your coat. Spiky, I could not do that. I could not do that. Turtle, you must take it off before you eat. You must take it off before you eat. So Spiky slowly took off his coat. He floated up and saw the turtle eat the feast. Feast means virundu. Now Spiky climbed out of the water and went home sad. Who went his home sad? Yes, Spiky went his home sad. Okay, what do you learn from this story? We should not tease others. Okay, Kutis, are you understand this story? Okay, you also don't tease others. Thank you.